Still sending customers to the cart page before checkout? That extra step could be costing you real money. Introducing the Redirect to Checkout module from ShopLentor, the simplest way to fast-track your customers from add to cart straight to checkout. No distractions, no delays. Just faster purchases and more sales. Here's how easy it is to activate. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules, enable the Redirect to Checkout module. That's it. Now visit the store. Every time a customer clicks Add to Cart, they'll skip the cart page and head directly to checkout. Just one thing, remember. Before enabling this module, make sure this setting is checked. No extra clicks, no friction. Free and no coding needed. Ready to transform your WooCommerce store? Activate the Redirect to Checkout module for ShopLentor and streamline your sales funnel.